Hi, welcome to Xpoda. In this video, you will start to learn using the Xpoda Studio by creating a CRM application. Let's log into the system first. Click on Create App and type the name of the app. Let's go ahead and create a module for your app. Select the responsive form option for your design. To register a company, assign the name as Company Registry for your first form. Where you type the name of the form will be shown in the menu of the client user. After editing the name of the form, you should give a suitable name for its table. While naming, you use the same letter code at the beginning of each table name to easily access all the tables in your project. You'll see what we meant later on in this video. If you prefer to display the table name with a different name, then you should type it in the display name field. After you make the first edits of your project, let's bring a text box so that you can enter a company name and then edit its name for the label in the text box. Add a drop-down box where you can select sector. After editing the label's text and the name of the drop-down box, enter the values of the drop-down box from Properties on the right pane. Now, let's add a drop-down box to enter company type. Enter the values of companies in the Values field on the right pane. Add a drop-down box where you can select Account Manager and edit its properties. Let's switch the field style from the fixed value to the SQL query so that you can pull the data from your database. Instead of the field where you entered fixed values before, there is now a field where you can write SQL queries. You can create queries through the wizard below. Since you do not have a personnel table yet, let's assume that the users registered in the system are personnel. Users registered in the system are saved in the table Xpoda client users. Create your query by pulling user ID and user full name from this field. The point that you should pay attention to here is to select the field to be recorded in the database, namely ID, and then the field to be displayed. Save the query. Let's add an action to display the record list on the client screen. After selecting the Actions tab, you click on Record Selection from the Ready Actions button. When you've done with designing your form, you have to click the Save button. Once it's saved, you'll click on the Run to create client screen. You can start using it right away. Account Manager field, you were showing its name and storing the ID. Now let's show the ID of this name. Click on the Update button and prepare the SQL query. Create your query by pulling what you want to be displayed from this field. Let's reach the account manager information whose name is stored here. This information is in the Xpoda client users table. When you pull userful name from this table, the field related to SQL join appears. In this window, there are options related to join type, master field and join field. You need to select Account Manager for the master field and user ID for the join field. You can see that the table name's user full name come from a different table. After filling the other name fields appropriately, save it again and let the query to go to the relevant field. After saving the action and the form, you can look at its final image. Have fun!